Question 1. Rose needs to install memory that can detect and correct errors. Which type of memory should she buy? A. Parity memory. B. Non-parity memory. C. ECC. D. None of the above. Correct answer C. ECC. ECC, Error Correcting Code. Memory is designed to detect and correct single-bit memory errors, ensuring higher reliability and stability. It is commonly used in servers and critical computing environments where data integrity is essential. Unlike parity memory, which can only detect errors but not correct them, ECC memory provides an additional layer of protection against data corruption. Question 2. Which protocol offers TCP/IP services such as IP addresses, subnet masks, default gateways, and DNS server information to hosts on a network? A. SMTP. B. SNMP. C. DHCP. D. DNS. Correct answer. C. DHCP. DHCP, Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, is used to automatically assign IP configuration settings to devices on a network. It eliminates the need for manual configuration by dynamically providing essential network parameters, ensuring efficient network management and reducing configuration errors. Question 3. The network administrator plans to purchase fiber optic cable capable of supporting the maximum speed over long distances. Which type of fiber should they select? A. Full duplex. B. Multi-mode. C. Single mode. D. Half duplex. Correct answer C. Single mode. Single-mode fiber, SMF, is ideal for high-speed data transmission across long distances. It features a narrow core and uses a single light path, which reduces signal loss and enables longer transmission ranges than multi-mode fiber. Question 4. Which option below replaces traditional physical network devices with virtualized machines? A. NFV. B. Hypervisor. C. VM replication. D. Media converter. Correct answer A. NFV. Network functions. Virtualization, NFV, allows traditional physical network devices like routers and firewalls to be replaced with virtualized functions running on standard hardware. This method enhances scalability, flexibility, and cost-effectiveness by delivering network services as software-based solutions. Question 5. UDP, User Datagram Protocol, is a connection-based protocol that uses a three-way handshake to establish communication. It also handles lost packet retransmission, flow control, and reordering of out-of-sequence packets. A. True, B. False. Correct answer? B. False. UDP is a connectionless protocol, which means it doesn't perform a handshake to set up a connection. Unlike TCP, it lacks features such as packet retransmission, flow control, and sequencing, resulting in faster data transmission but with less reliability. Question 6. What is the term for the switching technique that breaks data into packets before transmission? A. Packet switching. B. Message switching. C. Network switching. D. Circuit switching. Correct answer. A. Packet switching. Packet switching is a method used in modern networks where data is divided into packets and sent independently across the network. These packets can take different routes and are reassembled at the destination, optimizing bandwidth usage and improving efficiency. Question 7. What is a computer network that connects buildings and consists of various LANs within a specific geographical area called? A. CAN, B. DAN, C. PAN, D. SAN. Correct answer. A. CAN. A campus area network, CAN, connects multiple local area networks, LANs, within a restricted area, such as a university campus, corporate facility, or military base, enabling efficient communication and resource sharing. Question 8. Which ISDN connection provides the fastest speed? A. BERT, B. BRI, C. PRI, D. ATM. Correct answer. C. PRI. Primary Rate Interface, PRI, provides faster data transmission than Basic Rate Interface, BRI, by utilizing several B channels. It is typically employed in business settings where greater bandwidth and enhanced performance are required. Question 9. Which important function of switches keeps a record of the MAC address assigned to each port? A. FCS, B. SAT, C. STP, D. UTP. Correct answer. B. SAT. The SAT, switching address table, is responsible for maintaining a record of which MAC address is associated with each port on a switch. This enables the switch to forward frames to the correct destination port. Question 10. Which type of fiber is most commonly used indoors? A. Plenum, B. Modal conditioning, C. Multimode, D. Single mode. Correct answer. C. Multimode. Multimode fiber is typically used indoors because it supports shorter transmission distances and is more cost-effective for connecting network devices within buildings. It allows multiple light signals to travel simultaneously through the fiber core. Question 11. Which of the following best describes the process of creating a dedicated circuit between two communication endpoints and directing traffic between them? A. Addressing, B. Circuit switching, C. Directional addressing, D. Multiplexing. Correct answer. B. Circuit switching. Circuit switching creates a dedicated communication path between two endpoints for the entire duration of the session. This method ensures consistent and reliable data transmission without interruptions, commonly used in traditional telephone networks. Question 2. Which of the following is a valid host address for a Class B network? A. 147.28.00, B. 192.168.14.50c, C. 12.12v 12.12b, D. 128.255.0. Correct answer. D. 128.14.255.0. 128.14.255.0 is a valid Class B host address. Class B addresses range from 128.0.00 to 191.255.25.255, with the first two octets representing the network portion and the remaining two octets available for host addresses. However, network and broadcast addresses cannot be assigned to hosts, making other addresses within the range suitable for hosts. Question 13. Which tool is used to scan a network for known security vulnerabilities? A. Nmap, B. Wireshark, C. NetFlow, D. Nessus. Correct answer? D. Nessus. Nessus is a vulnerability scanning tool that detects known security flaws in systems, devices, and applications. It enables organizations to address and remediate these issues proactively, reducing the risk of exploitation by attackers. Question 14. What is the primary purpose of the containment phase in the incident response process? A. Notify law enforcement. B. Limit the scope and impact of an incident. C. Restore normal operations. D. Conduct a forensic analysis. Correct answer. B. Limit the scope and impact of an incident. Containment is focused on isolating the incident to prevent further damage. It may involve disconnecting affected systems, blocking malicious traffic, or disabling compromised accounts. Question 15. In the incident response process, what is the objective of the recovery phase? A. Remove the root cause of the incident. B. Limit the impact of the attack. C. Restore systems and services to normal operation. D. Gather lessons learned. Correct answer. C. Restore systems and services to normal operation. Recovery is the phase where systems and services are restored after the incident is resolved. It ensures that systems are clean, secure, and functional before returning to production use. Question 16. Which security policy addresses guidelines for employee-owned devices connecting to the corporate network? A. Data classification policy. B. BYOD policy. C. Password policy. D. Remote access policy. Correct answer? B. BYOD policy. A BYOD, bring your own device, policy outlines the rules and security controls for employees using personal devices to access company resources. It reduces the risk of unauthorized access and data leakage. Question 17. Which type of security policy defines the acceptable behavior and usage of company resources by employees? A. Password policy. B. Remote access policy. Acceptable use policy. Data classification policy. Correct answer. C. Acceptable use policy. The Acceptable Use Policy, AUP, defines how employees are allowed to use organizational resources such as computers, internet, and email. It ensures users do not misuse or abuse company systems. Question 18. Which phase of the incident response process involves detecting and confirming that a security incident has occurred? A. Containment. B. Recovery. C. Identification. D. Lessons learned. Correct answer, C. Identification. Identification is the process in which the security team detects and confirms the occurrence of an incident. This step is vital for recognizing unauthorized access, malware infections, or other security threats. Question 19. Which physical security control is used to monitor and record activity in and around sensitive areas? A. VLAN. B. Video surveillance. C. Access control. List. D. VPN tunnel. Correct answer. B. Video surveillance. Video surveillance uses cameras to observe and document activity, helping to deter unauthorized access and providing recorded proof of security incidents. Question 20. Which of the following is an example of a physical security control used to restrict access to a server room? A. Firewall. B. Biometric scanner. C. VPN. D. VLAN. Correct answer. B. Biometric scanner. A biometric scanner is a physical security device that uses unique biological characteristics, such as fingerprints or facial recognition, to control access to secure areas like server rooms. How many questions did you get right? Leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.